Hello everyone. Welcome back to the iMyFone channel. Did you try to unlock your Android lock screen but happen to forget it? Don't worry. This video gonna show you 3 ways to bypass Android screen lock. Let me present all the methods to you. Method 1. Bypass Android lock screen via ADM. Step 1. Visit Find My Device on your computer or other tablets. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account, the one that's on the device you want to unlock. Step 3. Choose the device that you want to unlock. There are 3 options in the list. Select the Factory Reset Device option. Please note that this method will erase all your phone data, so read the instructions carefully. Method 2. Bypass Android lock screen Android by Find My Mobile, only for Samsung. Step 1. Go to Samsung Find My Mobile website. Sign in with your Samsung account. Step 2. Select your device and choose Erase Data. Step 3. Enter the code for 2-step verification. Step 4. Click Erase again. Method 3. Bypass Android lock screen via iMyFone-Lockwiper Android. Step 1. Free download LockWiper from description below and open it. Click Remove Screen Lock. Remove without data loss. Step 2. Click Start. Select your device model. Download the data package. Step 3. Connect your phone to PC, and then put your phone into downloading mode. Step 4. It will bypass your locked screen without data loss. Now, check your Android phone. The screen lock has been removed, and your data is still safe. Alright, that's a wrap for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you found these methods helpful, be sure to share them with your friends.